Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I came here today to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Like, yes, like I get you right. Now I'm just playing. But a lot of people be asking me like how I do my eyebrows, so I was like, why not just make a YouTube video? So yeah, and I only use a pencil. Like, a lot of people think I use the dip brow, which I don't. I just use a pencil. So if you want to get your eyebrows like this, stay tuned. Okay, so you're going to take your spoolie and just brush your eyebrows in the way you want them. You're going to do that on both sides, obviously. And then you want to take your pencil and you want to go light in the front and then darker as you go. Because you don't want it a harsh dark in the front. That just doesn't look right. Gonna do the same thing on this brow. Take the spoolie and y'all, it's not gonna come out perfect. You're gonna have to keep messing with it because I know I always have to do that. So now both eyebrows are complete. I'm annoying, and I always go back in because they're never perfect. I just need to make sure they're fleeky and just up to my standards. So you always need to go back in and just make sure that they're good. Make sure you ain't got no unibrow. Okay, so now you take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and just conceal it to make it neat. So, and then you want to use a like a kind of brush is that, like a slanted brush. And well, angle brush, and then you want to go ahead and start off on the bottom. Make sure it's nice and neat, and go ahead, conceal and brows, girl. And by the way, I'm color Toast in the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then you want to go ahead and get a brush just to blend it out, blend the concealer. Get the pencil and just fill in what the concealer took away, because sometimes it could take off the wing and it just messes up the whole brow. Okay, so after you conceal, you take the spoolie brush and just brush it out because the concealer sometimes does mess it up. And then you want to take your tweezers if you have little hairs and poke those out, because I know my eyebrows be playing, so. Now I'm starting to conceal the other side, just repeating the same steps I did on the other eyebrow. And I'm gonna tweeze this side as well. Are blended out and concealed, so now I'm going to take the booty blender and put your foundation on it and just blend. I don't know why I'm putting it on my forehead, but just, you know, blend the concealer out because it can look a little light. Okay, now you just want to keep doing this step until you get your desired look. Okay, so now take out the spoolie brush and just, you know, brush out the product until you get it the way you want it. And then this is my final outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.